The second prototype was implemented with computer vision. Under the telephone are placed markers with 2 different colors. The phones are moved around on a table with a glass surface. A camera is placed below the glass surface in order to track where the colors are positioned. With this method we are able to detect much smoother and more precise movement of the phone. Here we see the gameplay of Player 2. Here Player 1 picks up the wires for Player 2 and is able to send them. Player 2 receives the 3 wires and is able to continue and complete the puzzle game. You can then switch to the map overview in order to locate which exit is open for Player 1. Player 1 moves to the correct exit that is communicated by Player 2 in order to save the civilian pigs. With the new method, an additional small test was carried out. 10 participants tried the game with the new method. Here we see 2 test participants that are actually really engaged in the game and trying to win. With this method, the interaction worked as intended, where players were able to move around the whole table. However, they did not win the game, and here we see the animation played out when they lose.